Hi everyone! I am here today to show you how to install, activate, and use our mileage blocker device on a Mercedes GLA car. Let's get started. There are 4 different modes available. The modes are activated one after the other. Every time when you want to move to the next mode, just press the back button 4 times. You will hear a sound signal each time when the device switches between modes. Now, let's give it a try. Press the back button 4 times to enter mode 1. You will hear a sound signal 1 time. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive, so the actual mileage is recorded at 100%. To move to mode 2, press the back button 4 times again. You will hear a sound signal 2 times. In mode 2, 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. To switch to mode 3, just press the back button 4 times. You will hear a sound signal 3 times. Now, in mode 3, only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. And finally, for mode 4, press the back button 4 times again. You will hear a sound signal 4 times. In mode 4, only 1 to 2% of the actual mileage is recorded. You're ready to use our device on your Mercedes GLA car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.